guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make your own cape. Just as Jobin recommended in the previous video about how to put capes on your skin. So I just blurred it out now. I didn't search on YouTube, no copyrights. So because before I used to have capes in the old version of Minecraft, like in September 2016, about redeem, like you'll get a free cape skin packs about that, and when I got it, I hacked it on how to put my skin on it, and then after a while I was bored because I want to make my own skin pack, and then I used Isopix to use it because I've been searching a lot of people using Isopix on how to make pixel art, but then I realized about it can edit also. So I used Isopix to do it. So first of all, you must have the zip file, Minecraft PE to open or test the MC pack, and also ES File Explorer and Isopix. In the last, mostly it is ES File Explorer that I'll use, but also Isopix and also the files. So first of all, you need to go to ES File Explorer. So I'm just gonna export the tabs because it might get like that. So go where you saved your zip file, and then hold tap it, and then extract it. And guys, do the same thing as I did in the previous episode or video. I meant like this. If you understand it, you'll know what I mean, so I won't talk. Okay guys, back here. So do remember that you need to rename your skin into devil.png big D, and now all you have to do is to have your cape here, copy that or cut that, and then internal storage or downloads, where you should save it, I don't know, but it depends on you, but as long as you can find it easily. So I'm gonna put it on the downloads, and then I'm gonna rename this into another thing. So I'm just gonna put one, or I'm just gonna cape one. I'm gonna do like that, and then if it's saved, go directly to Isopix. So I made my own, cape. So I'm just gonna load a new image, and then cape 1, that's my name. So zoom in with 2 hands, and then do like this. So all you gotta do is to make your own skin, or cape I meant. So I'm gonna cover these eyes first, and then make it vertically, like this, and then like this, or maybe like that. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna put my wait, I'm just gonna erase that, and then I'm gonna put let's see, what should we put here? I'm just gonna use color red because it's cool. I would use blue, but my name isn't already Blue Boy. I changed my name into MCPE. Wait, I think I'm wrong. Nah, who cares? So I'm just gonna do like this, do like that, and do like that again, and then do like this, and then do like this, and do like this, do like this. Oh, I'm wrong. I got something wrong here, guys. Guys, I'm gonna fix it in a minute. Okay guys, back here. So I already made my cape. So all you gotta do is to go to the bottom left corner thingy button here. So press that, and then go to File, and then save image. Then rename this into devil, and then do this sign here, and then cape, and then next, and then save. So it's been saved already, so go back to ES File Explorer, and then you can see here devil cape. So I'm just gonna delete this here, and then copy that, and then put it in here, and then do the same thing. Compress this into MC Pack. So just compress, and then if it's a here Z2 or something like that, or 7Z or zip, just put here MC Pack to be easier. MC Pack, and then done. And I know it'll show a sign there like .mcpack.zip. I know it's confusing, but like this, you can see here it showed here costume cape spotter hd .mcpack.zip. So to clear that, erase this .zip and then done, and then insert in MC Pack. So if you press that, you'll go to Minecraft, and then your cape is there. So test it, and then pause this again, guys, because my Minecraft launcher will take a while to do it. So I'm gonna pause it again. Okay, guys, back here. So it showed a Minecraft sign already. So yeah, just wait for a while, and then it showed import started, and then wait for that, and then successfully imported costume cape, something like that. So I'm gonna pause it and find it in the skin packs right over here. So I'm gonna find that. Just wait. Okay, guys, back here. So I found my. If you have trouble finding it, just go scroll down in the most bottom part of the skin packs, like down over here in the left. It's really in the bottom, in the last, actually, guys. If you have trouble finding it, make sure go down, and then you'll find it. It's like a skin pack section. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this. I think it did something wrong with my something like this. So I'm gonna go classic. I actually like classic because it makes my Minecraft smoother. So yeah, come on, don't lag. I hate laggy things. So touch like that, and then my name is going to be MCPE Buzzboy. Don't lag, come on. My name isn't Steve. So MCPE Buzzboy, and then done. And then you can see here it's already imported. So guys, if you have trouble doing this, make sure to go to the section or the comment section below, and then comment what is your problem, because I might find it, because in my device it always works. So yeah, so if you have trouble finding it, go in the comment section below. And if you're living nearby, if your house is living nearby to my house, or in the school, something like that, if you school in the same school where I school, I will help you with it, because you need to bring your gadget to do that, like my friend Amanda. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and please sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and goodbye.